Hey guys, what's going on? Joe Mills here for you. Today's Sunday, so a little bit different video today. I'm going to be mowing on a Sunday. This is something I actually don't really need to do, but I need to relieve some stress because this week is the start of finals week in college. So yeah, it's going to be a pretty stressful week. So Sunday fun day, I'm just going to mow.
Sometimes things may not always make sense to you right now, but hey, your daddy always tell you, straighten up, little soldier. You got me. Right now, but hey, your daddy always tell you, straighten up, little soldier. You got me.
All right, well, trimmer ran out of gas. Unfortunately, 7 p.m. sunset is 8:09, so I got to get moving on this. But I managed to get that bed trimmed an edge, that bed trim an edge, that bed, that one, and that one. But I still have this bed to do around that tree, and there's a section down there I can't get with the zero turn. So the shed is a far walk up. So what I think I'm going to do is keep mowing. Try to get a lot of the mowing done, and then take the probably take the gas out of the blower and put it in the trimmer.
Wow.